Hello guys, so welcome to Java programming from scratch, and in this session we are going to look that what are the different ways are available to create the objects in Java. Okay, so let us start the first way. By using a new operator, we can create object in Java by using a new operator. So how we can create the object in Java by using a new operator? Let us assume that we have already one employee data class. I wanted to create the object of this employee data class by using a new operator. So I will take employee data, emp data is equal to new employee data. So this is the first way through which we can create the object in Java, and the way is specifying that by using a new operator. Here we are using a new operator, and by using a new operator we are creating the object of employee data class. So now we are coming on the second way, and the second way of creating an object in Java is by using clone method of java.lang.object class. So how we can create the object in Java? By using a clone method. This clone method is a part of java.lang.object class. So basically there are 10 methods that is available in object class, and these all 10 methods will be by default inherited in every Java class that you are going to create. So you can see that employee data class we have been created, and this employee data class is by default extending the object class. For every Java class, the super class will be the object class. And what are the methods that is available in the object class? By default available in employee data class, in any Java class that you are going to create as per your requirement. So now we can see that how we can create the object by using a clone method. So let us assume that I will first create the employee data actual object. Employee is equal to new employee data. So we have the actual object in our hand, and now we are going to clone this actual object. Okay, so we are creating one object by using a new operator, and that is the actual object, and this actual object we are going to clone. So how we can clone this actual object? So we can clone by using this employee data cloned object is equal to, we will take this reference and we will call the clone method. Let us see the clone method is appearing or not. Okay, clone method. Basically what it is saying, that it is saying that we have to cast this employee data object, because this is returning a clone object and we need to cast this clone object. So what we are doing here, we are going to cast in as the type of employee data. Okay, now it will say that you have to add clone not supported exception. So we can write one method, public void m1 method, and we can here throw. So this is the second way that we can create the object in Java. First way was by using a new operator, employee data emp data is equal to new employee data, and second way by using a clone method. So we have been created one actual object of this employee data, and by using this, by the help of this actual object, we are cloning this actual object and we are receiving the cloned object, right? So this is the second way. Now we can go to the third way. That the third way is by using a class dot for name method and new instance. So how we can create the object by using a class.forName. So for creating the object, we can create the object by using a class.forName and new instance. So for that, what we are doing, we can use the employee data class, employee data emp data equal to, and we will typecast this employee data, and here we will use class dot forName. You can see here. So it will ask the argument, and argument should be the string argument. So what is the argument we have to provide? We have to provide this employee data fully qualified class name with the package name. Let us assume that it is available in com.demo.employee data class. So this is the class that is available in this package, and after that, what we are going to do, we are going to call dot new instance on this. I will see why it is showing the error. Okay, so it is asking to rename this variable, and this is also going to throw some exception. So what we are doing, we are going to write one method throws clone not supported exception. Okay, and what is the other exception it is going to throw? So instantiation exception. Okay, so this is the third way by which we can create the object of Java class. The first way was by using a new operator. Second way is by using a clone method of java.lang.object class. Third way is by using a static method for name that is available in the class and by the help of new instance along with that. So what we are doing, we are creating an employee data class object class.forName, and we are providing a fully qualified package name with the class name where this class is basically available, and we are calling the new instance method. Okay, simply this line number 19 and 20 can be written in this way: employee data emp data 2 is equal to employee data dot class dot new instance. This way also we can write this. Both the statement are similar. Either you can use this or you can use this. So we have seen that we are able to create the object in Java. First way by using a new operator, second is by using a clone method, and third by using a class.forName and new instance. Now what is the fourth way through which we can create the object in Java? By using deserialization. So how we can create the object by using a deserialization? We know that serialization and deserialization, that is one major concept in Java. What we are doing in serializations, in serialization we are saving the state of an object, okay, into some serialized file, and we are sending that serialized file over the network at the remote location. At the remote end, what we are doing, we are starting the process of deserialization. So we are reading the files that came to the remote end, and after reading this file we are reconstructing the object. So how we are going to create the object? By using a deserialization process. So in deserialization, what I told, that we are going to read the serialized file and we are reconstructing a new object. Okay, so basically here what we are using, we are we should have the file input stream object which will contain the serialized file. So simply I can write file input stream, and this I should write in some method because it will also throw some exceptions. So I am going to write one method public void for demo purpose m3. Okay, now we are going to create the file input stream object. File input stream FIS is equal to new file input stream. And let us assume this file input stream is containing some serialized file. We have to import this class, and this is containing some serialized file abc.scr, our text file. Okay, so once this file is going to be read by this file input stream, then what we are going to do, we are going to use object input stream. Object input stream, and we have to pass this file input stream object over here. We can import this package. Okay, once the object input stream will be ready, what we are doing, we are going to get employee data object equal to, we will typecast employee data, we want the employee data type object, and we already have the input stream, object input stream is ready. So we will call the read object method over there. You can see this method is available, and it will go and read this particular object input stream, what are the this object input stream is containing, and after reading this it will convert in the type of employee data, and it will give the employee data object. Okay, so these are the 4 ways through which we can create the object in Java. We have seen that by using a new operator, employee data, emp data is equal to new employee data. Second way is by using a clone method that is coming from java.lang.object class. So what we did, we created the actual object of employee data, and we called the clone method to get the cloned copy of that object. Now the third way is by using a static method that is available in the class, and along with this by new instance. So what we did, we are calling a for name method, and we are providing a fully qualified name with the package name, and then after that we are calling a new instance method. The second way that we can write this line number 22 and 23 in one simple format, employee data emp data 2 is equal to employee data dot class dot new instance. So by this way we can get a new instance, newly created instance for employee data. The fourth way, by using a deserialization, as we already discussed, deserialization is the process of reading the state of an object into the remote location and reconstructing a new object. So while reading a state of an object, we are going to use the file input stream class and object input stream class, and for reconstruction we are going to use the read object method. So these are the 4 ways through which we can create the object in Java. So guys, hope this session will be helpful for you. If you are thinking that you are getting benefited with this video, you can go ahead and subscribe this channel. Thank you for your time, and thanks a lot.